Updating your payout destination on Instagram is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen to navigate to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. Once on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open a menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Select Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. This section contains various account-related options, including payout settings. Step 5. Update payout information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your payout destination will be updated. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy to avoid any payment issues.